Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my April 2023 Ipsy Glam bag unbagging. I just received this in the mail and it feels very light. Feels like there's not much in here, but I mean I shouldn't judge it just by how the mailer feels. But so with all of these changes with Ipsy and BoxyCharm, I'm confused, but I think the Ipsy Glam bag is pretty much staying the same, which if I'm being honest is a little bit of a bummer because I feel like this was like the least exciting, the least fulfilling. Like it didn't really always follow my preferences all that great. Like I guess my least favorite is what I'm trying to say of all the BoxyCharm and Ipsy subscriptions. So I would have liked to see this one get enhanced, but I think it's pretty much the same as it was before. Well, let's go ahead and unbox it and see how it is. And I feel like I don't even have to give this disclaimer right now, but I pay for all of my Ipsy and BoxyCharm. I do not get them sent to me in PR. And the Ipsy Glam bag here is $13 a month, and it's monthly. It's supposed to be curated to each person's preferences and their feedback on the products that they've received before and product quizzes. So let's go ahead and see how this month's is for me. Okay, let's see if I got product information. Oh, no product information. Usually my Ipsy Glam bag does come with some. It says, be a conscious beauty consumer. So information on like beauty products. The makeup bag this month is cute. I like the floral. It says, look good, do good. That's such a sweet message. All right, all of my products are in here and this feels empty. Do I really have 5 products in here? Let's find out. Oh, wow. The first product I pulled out is a full-size product. It's from the brand Oriza. It's the Glow Up Lip Balm Watermelon Waves. All right, this is right up my alley. I love a lip balm. Oh my gosh, it smells amazing. Watermelon is my favorite scent for lip balms. I'm loving this packaging. I've tried out a bunch of products from Oriza Beauty before that I'm a fan of. So yay, my first product I am clearly very happy about. Next, oh my gosh, these are the tiniest, cutest little makeup sponges. Although I'm not like too excited to get these because I don't really use tiny makeup sponges like this, but they're so adorable that it's kind of exciting to see just how cute they are. But I definitely prefer to get products, especially makeup products, rather than tools. And these are from Farrah, the Farrah Mini Sponge Set. So a meh product to me. Next, Ciate London. It's like a joke to myself whenever I get Ciate London in my Ipsy and BoxyCharm subscriptions because I get it every single time. And this here, oh my gosh, this is a product I have gotten so many times. The Extraordinary Setting Powder. Wow, I cannot believe I just got another one of these. I have definitely gotten this multiple times from both Ipsy and BoxyCharm and probably other beauty subscriptions as well. So let's go ahead and take a look. Oh, it's so cute. I mean, this is pressed powder. I feel like I've tried loose powder of this. So maybe this is a little different because it's pressed versus the loose one that I got in Ipsy before. So, all right. I just reached behind me in my collection to check. So here is one full-size version that I've gotten before in Ipsy, a loose. Another one that I've gotten before in Ipsy, a mini loose. So like packaging, very similar, but loose translucent setting powder and pressed translucent setting powder. So, you know, maybe I shouldn't get too upset because it is a little different and I am excited to try out the pressed version. I have to say, I don't think it really makes a difference to me whether my powder is pressed or loose because it kind of applies the same way, does the same thing. But let me know in the comments down below, do you have a preference on loose versus pressed powders? Okay, on to the next product. Shades by Shan, the gel eyeliner in the shade Black Tea. I just got a black eyeliner in Ipsy. Oh my gosh, this is another joke to myself. The fact that I would still get a black eyeliner when every single time I get one, I put do not want to receive, like don't like this. I've put it everywhere I could possibly think of, and I'm still getting one. I can't believe it. Oh, I mean, I'm sure this is a nice eyeliner, but I just don't really like black eyeliner on me. I use a brown eyeliner daily, but a black just isn't my thing, so I can't believe I just got one of those. Oh my gosh. And the last product in here is from the brand Real Her, the I Am Beautiful Length Volume Mascara. The brand Real Her is another brand that I used to get so much of in Ipsy, but it's been a while now, and mascaras are a product that I love to try out. So I haven't tried this one yet, surprisingly, and I am excited to put this to the test. I am definitely picky with my mascaras. And okay, those are my 5 products. Let me do a quick recap and we'll see how I feel about this month's bag. So the Mini Farah sponges. Definitely a dud of a product. The Oriza Beauty Glow Up Lip Balm, I'm excited about. The Ciate London Extraordinary Setting Powder. This one I feel okay with because it's in a different format, so I am excited to try that. The black eyeliner, meh. And then the Real Her mascara. All right, I'm okay with this. So definitely not blown away by this month's bag. It's all right. Do I feel like it's even worth $13? Probably $13, but I think this is supposed to be valued at least $50. No way. I would probably value this to me at like $13. So at least I'm getting what I paid for, but definitely it goes back to what I was saying before about how I feel about the Ipsy subscription, and I feel like this one was no better. I mean, we'll see next month if it does get better, but so let me know what you got in your Ipsy Glam bag this month. Let me know how you are feeling about it. Let me know what you think of my bag, and if you've tried any of these products, I'd love to hear your feedback as well in the comments down below. But thank you so much for watching this video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon in my next video.